Imagine turning your tiniest fabric scraps into stunning works of art. That's the magic of crumb quilting, a sustainable and creative approach to quilting that's taking the crafting world by storm. Crumb quilting, also known as crumb piecing, has its roots in the frugal practices of our ancestors. Back when every scrap of fabric was precious, quilters found ingenious ways to use even the smallest bits in their creations. Today, this technique has evolved into a celebration of sustainable sewing and unbridled creativity. The beauty of crumb quilting lies in its freedom. There are no rules or restrictions. You can let your imagination run wild, combining colors and textures to create truly unique blocks. It's a perfect way to achieve a zero-waste sewing practice while crafting one-of-a-kind quilts that tell a story with every stitch. Let's explore some of the top free crumb quilt patterns available. Kate Colleran's crumb block pattern is an excellent starting point for beginners and experienced quilters alike. With step-by-step photos and expert guidance, you'll quickly master the art of improvisational piecing. For those who love a scrappy look, Bonnie K. Hunter's Crumbs pattern embraces the joyful chaos of mixing various fabric scraps. This design encourages you to let go of perfection and enjoy the spontaneous nature of crumb quilting. If you prefer a more minimalist approach, try the one-color crumb block pattern by Kristen from Scrap Fabric Love. This unique take on crumb quilting showcases the subtle beauty of a single color's many shades and textures. For a modern twist on a classic design, check out the Crumbly Sawtooth Star Block tutorial by Teresa Down Under. This video guide helps you create a stunning star block with a textured crumb-pieced center. Looking for a quick and practical project? The Crumb Quilt Mug Mat pattern by Crafty Stacy is perfect for beginners. It's a great way to dip your toes into crumb quilting while creating charming and functional accessories. For those ready to tackle a larger project, the Tetris Quilt pattern by Lisa Lanza Kaup offers a playful, retro-inspired design that's sure to make a statement in any room. Crumb quilting is more than just a technique. It's a celebration of creativity, sustainability, and the joy of making something beautiful from the smallest scraps. Whether you're looking to reduce waste, express your unique style, or simply try something new, crumb quilting offers endless possibilities. So gather up those fabric scraps, fire up your sewing machine, and start creating your own one-of-a-kind crumb quilt masterpiece today. Want more crumb quilt patterns to inspire your next project? Find a treasure trove of scrappy designs at ilovequiltingforever.com.